Hello there, we just got done watching Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. This movie is from 2023. It's rated PG-13 and it is 2 hours and 5 minutes long. Aquaman forges an unlikely alliance with his imprisoned brother, Orm, to stop Black Manta and the mythic Black Trident. Of course, it's a superhero film, so it's got, some of the typical superhero stuff in it.
The second one in the Aquaman series.
Yeah, number 2 in the Aquaman series. I thought it was okay. The CGI was...
Couple spots where it got a little funky.
Yeah, it was rough in a few areas. So, the story itself, I thought was okay. It just feels like it's been done before. Not in this series, but just in general. It feels like a rehashing of the same type of tale.
They did at least bring in, like, touches of global warming and stuff to try to open people's minds a little. But, I mean, it's better than the trailer made it seem for me.
There was a lot less comedy in this one than in the first one.
And all the other, like all the other superhero movies, they've been trying to push comedy a lot. And yeah, it feels like
they backed off of that because there really wasn't any spots like that.
Couple silly moments with Aquaman being silly, but nothing
like before. Yeah. Overall, I'd say it was okay. I'd give it probably a 2.5 out of 5 stars. How about you?
3.5.
Yeah, it's not one that I would watch again, but if you are a fan of Aquaman or superhero movies in general, this might be up your alley. I will see if I can find it. If I can, I will link it below. And if you have seen Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, let me know what you thought of it. Were you a fan? Did you like it? Like I said, I don't know. I don't really know what I expected from it, but it just failed to meet my expectations, I guess. I don't know. I just expected, I guess, more comedy in it. So
because that's what you're getting used to.
Yeah. But thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.